everybody, Matt Sellhorst at Boat Dealer Profits. Hey, thanks for coming to check out this webinar. I really would love you to sign up. It's going to be a very valuable session that we're going to spend together. There's a claim your seat form over there. It might be down below, up there. I'm not sure where they're putting it, but we're going to talk about how to add an extra $50,000 or more to your bottom line of your boat dealership this off season. As the season's winding down, it's something I think that's going to be very valuable for you. I'm going to give you the 7 steps that I used to become a top producer and that my coaching clients are using to have tremendous success. I'm going to give you some specific examples. I'm going to share with you some of the success stories of my clients, and I would love to see you there. I think you're going to get a lot of valuable information. So go ahead and claim your seat wherever the button is, down there, up there, and we're going to have some good times. I'm going to give you some great information. It'll be about an hour or so, maybe a little bit more than that if I really start revealing a lot of the insider information. Sometimes I get a little excited and deliver a little more than I expect to. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. Take care.